Welcome to Poll Studio Manager. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to give early enrollment access to your Gold members for the upcoming season called Annual Show 2025. From the dashboard, click on Settings and find Seasons in the drop-down menu. Then, click the button labeled Add New to create a new season. Let's name the season Annual Show 2025. Set the date range from July 1st, 2025 to November 22nd, 2025. Allow other members to enroll starting July 1st. Next, under Enrollment for specific member categories, select Gold Member. Only Gold members will be able to enroll starting on June 20th. You can also enable the waitlist, charge a registration fee, and make the season visible to clients. Set the status to active when you're ready to go live. Finally, click Save. And that's it. You've now set up early enrollment for Gold members in Poll Studio Manager. Thanks for watching. Keep your enrollment smooth and reward your VIP members with early access using Poll Studio Manager.